on.
Hey folks, Robert Borges here at Miami MarineMax. We're going to walk today through the 271 Canyon with a double 300 Yamaha outboards, 4 strokes. You see this boat comes rigged with the underwater lights as well. Follow me on board, take a look at all the features. Real nice insulated fish box for the day's catch, live bait well. Over here we have the battery switches, saltwater washdown, engine flush downs incorporated inside the boat, which makes it nice and easy to flush the engines. You have a bench seating, collapsible in the back, so when you're cruising, everybody's comfortable. When you're fishing, everybody is happy with the space it gives you, sort of way. You have the live bait well, second, so this boat comes rigged with 2. Prep sink with a freshwater pull-out shower, tackle station underneath. Grady-White does an excellent job making sure that all the space is used properly. Over here in the control station we have tilt steering, electronic throttles. This particular vessel comes equipped with the Garmin GPS XSV, Garmin VHF, Fusion stereo, and your digital controls for your Yamaha system. Another nice thing about this vessel is that it has the enclosed glass hardtop with the wiper, so you're very well protected with the elements. Hardtop, incorporated speakers, rod holders, and outriggers. And if you follow me here to the front of the boat, stop by the cabin here. See, it's a very nice large head with plenty of headroom, stand-up space, and storage. Over in the front, this particular vessel is equipped with a nice sun pad. Makes a day out at the sandbar very enjoyable. Incorporated windlass. And if you're cruising, you have the backrest, which is a nice space to sit when you're out in high seas. This is an excellent rough water boat. Come by and see us anytime, and we'll be happy to walk through it with you. Thank you.